Earn $15 every minute. This method simple and easy and anyone can do it. This method works worldwide and no technical skill are needed, and we can do this over and over again, and you can earn money on auto pilot card. So I will walk you through step by step in this video, so watch the video until the end. Before that, subscribe, like, and if you watch the video until the end, that you can win 10 pound PayPal money. First, the step one is go to website like OfferVault or CPA Lead or Max Bounty. But better go to OfferVault and search for giveaway, because you want to promote a CPA offers but also that relevant to at the current time. So because this is December and January, people are interested in buying gift cards, free giveaway, something like that. So if you search for giveaway and on OfferVault, and it will bring these results, and you can see. And if you click this first offer here, and this offer is going to pay you $15 per lead for their sign up for this amazing gift card, and this was provided by this affiliate network. All you have to do, click this one called join network, and most of the affiliate network will be approve application within a couple of minutes. Some of them required proof of identification, some of them require a Skype interview like Max Bounty. But again, you can go to CPA Lead, you can approve within minutes, or you can go to different affiliate offers and find a CPA offers that gonna pay you good amount of money for giveaway like this one. So after you find the offers, all you have to do is go to Canva or any photo editing or Photoshop and create a simple post like this one, and you can see win $500 free gift card, and you're gonna put the Amazon logo there and the simple post. And now the crucial part, I'm going to show you 5 different websites that you can use to generate organic free traffic to your offers, and you have to do it in a way that those sites won't block your link or link guide. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. Before that, subscribe to my channels and click the like button on the bottom of the video. So after you create the post, what you have to do, go to first website is called Facebook. What you do, go to search bar here and type giveaway, and it will bring all the result here. You can search for gift card, free giveaway, something like that. What you do after here, you go to left hand side of your page, and you can see there's a two thing, page and group. You can open both of them, and you're gonna join group and page that related to giveaway and gift cards, and you're gonna join them. Okay, some of them approve application automatically, some of them in review, so the admin will review your application and approve that. So all you have to do, join as many as you can. After you join those group and pages and go to one of them, I'm gonna do this thing which I'm gonna show you now. So on each group and each page, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to there and type this one. You can is for my offer, but you can convert that to whatever the offer that you are promoting. Basically, you're going to type win $500 free Amazon gift card. Step 1, like this post. Step 2, leave a comment, I want one, and in the bracket you have to type that to know how to enter for the giveaway. The reason is, if you put affiliate link on Facebook post, one, I think Facebook block it, a second, it look like a spammy. So you're gonna post this like that, this one, and whenever the people comment I want one, you're gonna go to their page, their profile, you're gonna reply them the affiliate link. That you can see I joined a couple of groups there, and they are approving my application here. So you're gonna simply do that. You're gonna post this and every single page, every single group, guys, and whenever the people in the comment section type I want one, you can reply them with an affiliate link. This is the first website. The second website is Pinterest. That you can see people are creating pin about Amazon gift card. If this is not for Amazon gift card, any gift card giveaway, that you can see here. All you have to do, create a pin. On that link, you can put the affiliate link for direct linking. In some cases, if those affiliate links are not allowed in Pinterest, you can use a link in bio tools. Those are intermediate page that you can link your viewers with your affiliate offers, guys. If you want to know about that, I made a video about link in bio tools. I put the card and the link in the description. Go and check it out. So this is the second website, because these websites are generating billions of organic free traffic. The third one Twitter, you can see people are posting giveaway here. It's simple like this one. You can post whenever people comment you can reply them back with an affiliate or link, guys. Fourth one is Parlay. So I already made a video about that. Parlay is a new social media site, and people are you can get instant result, guys. You can see people are posted here about giveaway. That's 8 of already 218 people, guys. So if you come down the bottom, so you can see they do physical product giveaway, but you can see giveaway 37 views within 16 hours. So there's a lots of engagement. You can see it in front of you when you post any post, that you can see lots of engagement here, guys. So you can use it as an free traffic source to generate traffic for your affiliate offers, guys, from parlay.com. And the fifth one and final one, my favorite one, is Quora. So all you have to do, go to Google and type free giveaway site.quora.com. These are the questions people asking on Quora about free giveaway. Do they really give away product for free? What are the best free giveaway site and competitions? What are some good giveaway site? So people are asking questions about what are the giveaway sites, and you can see 18 answers on that. So all you have to do is go there and type a little bit paragraph here, and you can put an affiliate link. Most of the time Quora will block your answer because of the spammy looking affiliate link. All you have to do, you can use a link in bio tools, or you can get a couple of these offers here, put it on Google site. This is a free, then you can use Google site link on Quora answers to answer these questions, guys. So you can come with creative to promote these CPA offers, and if we promote that, you can make at least between $50 to $100 per day from this method, guys. Again, it won't happen with one single post. You need to post every single day, and better if you post couple of times, 5 to 6 times per day is better. And also whenever the people like your post on the social media, because you are asking to like, and those social medias see as a lots of engagement to your post, so they will promote your post lots of people, guys. So what you have to do, you promote lots of offers every single day, and you have to post 5 to 6 times per day on those social media to generate free organic traffic for these affiliate offers, and you can earn this money as a passive income, guys. Again, $15 per lead, it is a big money, guys. So I hope you understand, guys. If you like this method, leave a like. I like this method. Also, there's a giveaway is going around and is ending today, guys. I put the link in the description, go check it out, and I will announce the winner on 28th Sunday 2020, guys. December 28th Sunday 2020. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.